Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I got another video for you. Yes, it is my BoxyCharm Premium box. Yes. Okay, if you don't know what this is, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription, and they have 3 tiers. The first tier is the $25 and it is the base box. The second tier is the $35 and it is the premium box, which is this one. And then there's the third tier, which is a quarterly one, and that one will replace your base box, that is the $25, and you will get charged $50 instead. And that one you get like over 8 full-size products, and it could be beauty products, skincare, lifestyle, anything inside that box. So for this video, we're doing the BoxyCharm Premium, and we're getting at least 6 to 7 full-size products that's going to retail over $200 and something. And let's just jump right into it, okay? So I'm super stoked because I did get to choose one product from this box as well. That's the good thing about these beauty subscription, is that they're allowing you to choose one of the products that you would want in your box, and then they create the subscription company will create around it what products you might like, and also the beauty quizzes. But I don't think the beauty quizzes matter. They'll just put whatever inside. Okay, so here is what the box looks like. Ooh, look at that. Okay, do we have a card? Okay guys, we have no card, so I'm going to have to go with my phone and yeah, just rely on that to tell me about the products. Okay, so let's pull up this thing right here, because it's kind of, oh sorry, I'm moving the camera a little bit here. It's kind of heavy. There it is. Looks like a scrubber. I have one of these actually. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the Daily Concept Daily Detox Massaging Brush, and this retails for $18. The Daily Detox Brush is the perfect tool for evaluating your dry brush routine, complete with responsible source, natural bristles, and massaging rubber nobles. This brush combines the vigorous textures to remove dead skin cells with the steam. Oh my god, I cannot talk. You use it dry as a pre-shower or bath ritual. Okay, so I do have one of these. So this is vigorous. They'll tell you like what is the stages. So they have gentle, mild, and vigorous. I do have one of these, and I got it, I believe, at Ulta. I don't know if it was by Daily Concept, but I want to say it was a different brand. So I am not going to open this up, only because like I said, I do have one, and maybe I can give this to somebody. Okay, so we're gonna have to tally this, and I said this was $18, so let me pull out my calculator. Oh, okay, this is MAC. I got a MAC lipstick. Let's see. Here we go. This is a MAC Cosmetic Satin lipstick, and this retails for $19. A creamy lipstick formula with a soft cushiony feel, medium to full buildable coverage, and a satin finish. So like I said, this was $19. So let me add that in, and then we'll look into the color. Okay, I got, there's like lots of colors that you could have got, but I got Pink Nuva. Oh, what is with these companies sending me pinks? Like, I'm not a pink person, and I put on there that I don't like pinks. I put down neutrals and nudes, and of course they sent me pink. Oh, look at, because it was sitting in like the heat, it has like bubbles on it. Do you see that? Yeah. Okay, this is really pink. I might send this. I do have tons of MAC lipsticks. I'll even show you, because I have my little collection right here. Here are my MAC lipsticks. I have my favorites and stuff like that, so I'm going to save this for somebody, so I'm not going to swatch it. I wish I would have got it like a nude color, because there is on here, they're showing that you could have got like some nice colors. Yeah, there was some nudes here. I think like I forgot, like it doesn't tell you like what colors you could have got, but I see some nudes in there, so there's no excuse, BoxyCharm. You could have sent me a nude, even it's on my profile. All right, let's pick out another product here. Let's take that out. Oh, can I reach over? Okay, what is this? This is the DERMELECT. Is that what it's called? Let's pull it out. Okay, here it is. This is the DERMELECT XL Lash Volumizer. This retails for $49. Holy crap. This extra long lash and brows can be yours. Thin and brittles no more, as you can transfer them to appear natural, thick, fuller, and stronger. This specially formulated tripeptide treatment works to bolster weak lashes and fortify spurs thin brows. Leave on overnight and extensive friendly. Okay, so this retails for $49, so let's add that. And so this has to be like a serum for your lashes and brows. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And let's check out the wand. Oh, it's like a gel form. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I can't wait to try this out, like really test it out this month, just to see how it'll make my lashes look longer, because this is mascara. This is like my favorite one. Which one? The Thrive Cosmetics mascaras that I love so much. So because I have very like short lashes, and then they just kind of just stay straight. They don't like so I will definitely try this out. It's a very interesting product, you know. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Let's pull it out here. Oh yes, this is a product that I chose. Okay, I chose one of these, I think last month or the month before. Let's get it right here. Here we go. This is, oh my goodness, okay, get it together. This is the Sunday Riley 8+ High Dose Retinol Serum, and this retails, drum roll, $85, okay? This 8+ High Dose Retinol Serum is an advanced strength retinol serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilizing retinol blends and botanic retinol active alternative extracts into the skin. Okay, so this is $85. Okay, this product is something that I chose. So basically, this is going to improve the appearance of aging or damaged skin, while Hawaiian white honey, the cactus extract, and ginger balance and smooths the skin for the appearance of calmer, even tone complex. So this also says the serum fights the signs of aging and improves the looks of congested and UV damaged skin. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm super excited. I do have another one. It's a retinol one too. I can't remember. It's in like, I think in a white bottle. Comes in a box like this too as well. And I wanted to get all my Sunday Rileys together because I wanted to try it to like the whole line together. to see if I have any changes and stuff like that. But I've heard like rave reviews about these, so I'm super excited that I got to choose this in my box this month. How exciting is that? And this was $85. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Okay, what's the next product? What do we have? Ugh, sorry, keep hitting the camera. Okay, here we go. Here it is. It never fails when it comes to beauty subscriptions. Okay, let me pull it up. This is the Grande Cosmetics internal eyeliner. This ultra black, intense pigment and long wearing. This precise application allows you to create the perfect wing or whatever liner look you desire, and this retails for $17. I am not going to open it, but I'm going to add it into my thing here. It's just a liner, a black basic liner. Yeah, and that's all I have to say about it. Okay, now we're on to our last, this is our 6th item, and it came in this bubble wrap. Here it is. I'm super excited about this. Let's pull it up. This one, every every BoxyCharm Premium member got this one. This is the Ciaté London New England Editor Palette, and this retails for $32. Inspired by the New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows and mix of richly pigment autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallics, glitters, and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. Okay, let's add that in. That's $32. Okay, and let's check this palette out. Ooh, that's super cute. That's what it looks like. It's just a plastic. Ooh, and it comes with like a full-size mirror. This is giving me Makeup Revolution vibes. Their palettes. Yeah, Makeup Revolution palettes vibes. It's a full-size mirror down there. Emily knows. She did a collab with Makeup Revolution, and it just gives me that vibe because of the colors and not the color of the palette, but the packaging. But here is what the eyeshadows look like. They're very gorgeous. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. So we have like the 2 here, we have 1 there, and then we have this dark brown. So, and then the rest are like shimmers and metallic colors. They look very gorgeous. So let's like do a couple of swatches here. This gold one is calling my name, but I feel like I'm not getting anything from it. Oh my god, I like really went into it and wasn't really getting much out of this one here. Okay, let's try this one here, right there. Oh, that one for sure. I got something out of that one. Look at that. Oh, that one's gorgeous. It always seems like the darker colors are the ones that you're gonna get more pigment to. That's the green one. Let me try. Let me clean my fingers here really quick. I have like makeup all over my pants. Let's try this one right here. That one's calling my name too. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, a little chalky, but it's like a jean color. And let's try a matte out. Let's try this pink matte out. Ooh, it's like an orange. That's really gorgeous. It's this one right here. Okay, so first impressions, these are just hand swatches. they're like a hit and miss, but you never know. With an eyeshadow brush, they can give you something totally different, you know. So yeah, this is a really nice palette. Like I said, it's giving me that Makeup Revolution Emily Knows palette that she did, the collab. So all right guys, so here is my BoxyCharm Premium box, and in this box it was worth $220. I got some amazing products, not one of the greatest BoxyCharm Premium box, but I gotta admit, I'm very excited for the product that I chose here. The lipstick color should have been what I put on my beauty profile. I shouldn't have gotten a pink one. This one, of course, I'm gonna probably give it to somebody because I already do have it. This I'm excited to try out to see if it will do anything different with my lashes. And like I said, liner is liner. Palette, I can't wait to try it. You know, it could be different with the makeup brushes versus your fingers, you know, because you're not, sometimes yeah, you use your fingers for your eyeshadows, but with the makeup brushes there'll be a different story. So yeah, here it is. Here's everything I got. All right guys, if you enjoyed that, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it again. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, thank you, loves you lots, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, take care, be safe out there, love you lots. Mwah.